Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to trade on DXtrade, step by step. There are a few different ways you can place trades on DXtrade, and they're all really simple once you know where to look. First, on the standard loadout, you'll see your watch list, chart, market depth, and time and sales panels. In the middle, you'll find your chart. This is where most trading happens. To open a trade, simply click Buy or Sell at the top of the chart. A window will pop up where you can select your symbol, choose the order type, market, limit, stop, or OCO, and enter the lot size you want to trade. Once you've set everything up, click Send Order to confirm your trade. You can also trade from the Trade section at the top. Here, you'll see your watch list again, and from there, you can directly buy or sell any instrument. When you do, a new order window will appear, allowing you to customize your order just like before. If you prefer trading directly on the charts layout, you can do the same thing. Click Buy or Sell, adjust your trading settings, and hit Send Order. And that's it. That's how you trade on DXtrade quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.